How to add a poll on Instagram story. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to add poll on Instagram story. To start this tutorial, make sure you open Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you're here, create a new post or create a new story. In this case, I'll take a photo of my keyboard. In here, I'm going to swipe up and then I'm going to search for poll. Once I see it, I'm going to put it in there. And in here, ask a question. Could be anything. Could be anything of your interest. It could be what you are. A morning person? Or an evening person. You can also add more options after this second bar. Once done, click on done and then put it on your story. Now all you have to do is click on next and then wait for Instagram to finish posting your story. And now you can ask your friends to start answering the poll in your story. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. And as always, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.